was designed as a medium bomber to operate at altitudes between 8,000 and 12,000 feet. Powered by two 1,700 horsepower Wright R2600 radial engines, with the carrier Enterprise providing fighter coverage. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, here's the B-25 Panchito. Trained his crews extensively on the carrier Hornet. And unfortunately, they had to leave early. They wanted to be 200 miles closer to Japan. But a trawler spotted him and radioed the Japanese mainland, "Hey, I got American carriers out here. Red alert." From the left, here's Panchito. Knowing full well they had been spotted by the Japanese, even though the trawler was sunk. We did. Hard. To the point where it really scared the Japanese, and they held troops back to defend the homeland. From the right, Delaware Aviation Museum's B-25 Panchito. Suddenly our morale was back up in the skies. This was April 1942. Back in World War II, that was less Japanese troops our guys had to face. It actually had a major effect. From the left, Panchito. Built by North American Aviation. I know you know one other famous aircraft that North American built, of course, the P-51 Mustang. We've got photo passes coming up. Paul Dewar and Sabrina Kip at the controls of the airplane. There you go, everybody, from the right. Panchito. From the Disney movie, The Three Caballeros. From the left, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Panchito. Let's not forget, of course, Rosie the River. From the right, photo pass number 2. Here comes Panchito. Because the top cylinders empty into a collector was designed as one-way only. They were hoping to recover the aircraft, but unfortunately it just didn't work out that way. The Japanese had a trawler, spotted them early. The end of the mission. Change in plans.